Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board is mounted at the bottom of the refrigerator behind the kick plate on the left. It monitors and operates all of the major functions of the refrigerator. If one or more functions are not working properly, it's time to check the main power control board and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. To gain access to the main power control board, we need to remove the kick plate. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver to remove the kick plate. I'm going to slide it into the seam and pry it out. I'm going to move, pull it, and continue prying it out. And at the same time, I'm going to pull on it. And now we can take it out. In order to slide out the main power control board, we need to remove this single 1/4-inch screw. I'm using a socket wrench with a 1/4-inch head. And we're going to unscrew it. And I'm going to remove it manually out of the way. And we can slide out this box. Before going into unplugging all those wire connectors, I recommend you to make a snap picture so we can use it later. And now we're going to take off all the plugs. We're going to press on the locking tabs and disconnect the plugs. All right, now there's one screw that holds that panel on the top. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to use the same socket wrench. I'm going to take off this plate. And we can remove this harness. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we have here a new main power control board. Let's slide it in. And I'm going to start with installing these cables in. I'm going to put the plate on. And I'm going to secure it with this one screw here. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch socket wrench. And we can start plugging all those plugs in. If you have any doubts, check with the picture we took earlier, but it's very hard to mix them around. And the last one. Okay, let's push the harness in so it won't stick out. And we can slide the control board under. I'm gonna match the holes here and secure it with this 1/4-inch screw. And now I'm going to tighten it with a 1/4-inch socket wrench. Alright, so we're going to place the kick plate. Put the cutouts over the hinges here on both sides. And then we're going to push it in so all the tabs will lock. Now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.